wait.
That's my butt.
Less material, more expensive.
Here is our... Whoa.
Ooh. Can we zip?
Is it not zip?
No, it's not zip. Does it?
This is what it's supposed to look like. That's not.
And this.
Hey guys, it's Julia here, and I'm with my
Mother.
mom. And we're gonna be doing another Mom Rates My Blank videos.
One might say that.
Which is actually Halloween costumes this time, because last time we did Mom Rates My Bikinis, so if you haven't seen that video, you can go click the I or the link in the description to watch that. But I don't know, I always forget which side it's on. But since it's spooky season, we had to pull out the Disney Princess Halloween costumes. And these ones, you know, there's like a little twist. They're not like your average Disney princess costumes. They're a little spicy.
That's well put. If you're not already subscribed to her channel, I suggest you do so.
Yes, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification button and hit, sorry.
Hit the
No, I have allergies, really bad.
As long as you're not allergic to me. I suggest you subscribe. Click the bell notifications. You'll find them at the bottom, either the left or the right or the top of it. I don't know, I watch your videos quite often.
You're not wrong. And make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more videos of my mom.
Why just one thumbs up?
Let's just go ahead and like try on the costumes and you can rate them.
I'm ready.
So this is the first costume, Cinderella. I can't get the buttons on.
Oh, isn't that adorable?
Can you help me?
It looks like, oh my god, it looks like the little tutus I used to put on you when you went to dancing school. Okay, this is more like a corset.
Yeah.
Jeez.
I couldn't get it from the back.
Okay, it's not so bad if you have somebody doing it.
Yeah. This is actually a really, really cute costume.
The cat one's out. And this looks just like the outfit she wore.
The cat's trying to leave.
Bye, kitty. I love you. Oh my god, it's like the tutu. What? You gotta go like this. Oh,
You love this one.
No. This is like...
Is this exciting for you?
This is like 5 pumpkins, you know? 10 pumpkins. What's the rating here?
Okay, so you get to...
Oh, turn around. I haven't done this since you were 4. Oh, like a dance recital.
Yeah, it does kind of look like a dance recital costume, honestly.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh, this is... Oh, look. Oh, wait.
That's my butt. What were you looking for?
I thought it had a blue panty.
Oh, my underwear.
No, yeah, like I thought it had a blue panty. It's just the tutu.
I think you have to wear something underneath.
Yeah, I would strongly suggest wearing some blue briefs underneath, some biker shorts. Oh, that is cute. You have to wear that somewhere, but with biker shorts.
A photo
please.
shoot?
A photo shoot. Oh.
So this is our Cinderella, and you get to rate it 1 out of 10 for cuteness or likability, whatever you think.
I don't think you can get more likable than this. 10 pumpkins.
So this is the first one out the gate, and you're already giving it a 10 out of 10.
I know. This is trouble. I just noticed the little armlets.
Yeah, and the necklace. The black choker that Cinderella has. And this is
I thought that was yours. I didn't know it came with it.
No, I'm also wearing my necklaces underneath.
Oh my god.
I don't really have the Cinderella hairdo though.
Now you need the Stuart Weitzman glass slippers. Ooh, that'll help.
This is...
Yep, 10 pumpkins.
Okay.
I'll go to 100. I love this. I don't think you can beat this one.
Next costume.
Oh!
We have our Snow White. I think this is supposed to clip to like thigh socks.
Yeah, yeah.
So there's a little bow in the back.
This is cute. Very, very kind of sexy maid. You know, again with the tool here.
Yes.
We can tool with the tool.
It's a little itchy on the like top part though, like right here.
Okay.
But she's cute.
But
get it?
But
as you can see, there's a theme. They're all very like.
It's interesting how they're
less material.
Like that. Yeah. Less material, more expensive.
Honestly, true.
This is cute though.
Yeah.
You look like a little French maid.
But do you get the Snow White?
I got the Snow White down.
Okay. And it came with
actually, it'd work as a great freestyle skating dress for somebody. I got the bow, but you need to fluff the bow out a little here.
Oh my god. It's like a cheerleading bow now.
Yeah, there you go.
So what do we rate this from 1 to 10?
7 apples.
7 apples.
I'll take a bite out of one.
Wait. Are there 7 dwarfs?
Well, she eats the apple. Oh yeah. No, yeah, you're right. 7. No, are there 8? Oh, I gotta
7.
Google that.
7 dwarfs.
How many?
We have to find out.
Yes. Everybody, my Google skills are not good if you know me. Let me find the Google
I thought it
here.
was Snow White and the 7 dwarfs.
I think you're right. 7 dwarfs.
Hey! Okay, so a 7 for our 7 dwarfs.
You got it.
Alright, next character costume. Here is our... Whoa.
Wait,
Maybe I didn't put
costume malfunction. Oh no.
What?
I can't remember which Disney princess this is.
Oh.
Beauty and the Beast.
No.
No?
This,
Oh geez, there's Cinderella.
Sleeping Beauty.
Actually, I wouldn't have gotten it. But that's not because I wouldn't have gotten it. I just could not think of Sleeping Beauty. Do you know what I'm
She has
saying?
blonde hair and my hair is like brown. Okay, I got the costume on properly.
This is when I should start singing. When you wish upon a star.
This is our Sleeping Beauty costume. It's a little, I think it's a little big actually.
Yeah, something's not clipped. Oh, here it is. There you go. It is cute. And it has the little thingies for your tights.
Oh, it's sparkly too.
Oh, yeah. Spared no expense on this one.
Things you like, things you dislike about her.
Well, I feel like it could be fitted a little better.
Me too. It's a little loose.
And the crown, I think they could have went a little bit better on the crown. The choker's not bad, but what do y'all think? The fact that I don't know my princesses is not helping the situation.
Oh no.
Your lipstick look nice though.
Oh, thank you. That's not part of the costume.
Oh, okay. I like the stonework. 1 stone. I'm gonna.
It's not your favorite.
No. You know what? Sleeping Beauty wasn't exactly one of my favorite princesses either, so that could be. The fact that you can sleep your day away is not good.
Oh, okay.
I actually think Snow White was made better quality than this one, so I'm going to give it a 6.
Okay, so this one is a 6.
6, and I have no idea or recollection about Sleeping Beauty, so I can't reference it very well.
Not your favorite. Not your favorite.
Clearly, it was not my favorite. Maybe I'm passing judgment on it because of the actual
The story.
Yeah. Don't come up with Princess and the Pea because I won't recognize
No,
that
we'll
one
move on. We'll move on to the next princess. No worries. We have Jasmine.
Oh.
Did you not know who this princess was? Oh my god.
No, I do know Jasmine only because Aladdin is out.
Yeah.
And Will Smith plays the genie. You know, it's also ooh. Can we zip?
Is it not zip?
Oh, no, it's not zip.
No wonder why I was so there, so I was wondering.
No, I actually like this. This looks a little like loungewear. Like you can actually go in public.
Not really.
I really do like this. Well, a little bit of tights. I actually like this better than some of the skating costumes I see for Aladdin.
Well, not your brother, my brother is an ice dancer, so that's why she keeps saying ice skating costumes.
I live in a rink. I like this. I think I like blues better than I like pinks because they don't look as cheap.
Okay.
In the material.
I mean, the material.
I think these do a nice job though.
Yeah.
Turn around. I'm gonna give it like a 9.
Oh, okay.
9 rubs of the genie bottle.
Okay.
Okay.
9 wishes from the genie.
Yeah, you only get 3.
Okay.
But
you gave it a really high number.
yeah, I gave it a 9, so it's very close to Cinderella.
Okay.
But I do think I'm like biased to the blue.
Yeah.
I think maybe the blues just look better on you. I don't know.
Maybe I'm a blue type of gal.
Blue.
Okay, now for our last and final costume. Okay, so this didn't turn out how I thought it was gonna look. I thought it was gonna look like this.
Oh wow, yeah.
So got a good look at this.
It's not bad.
And it looks like this.
But where's the head stuff? Belle should have something on her head.
They didn't give you any head stuff. I
Really?
think she's supposed to have like...
This looks like a very bad prom dress gone wrong.
Yeah, this is really not cute.
tale as old as time. Oh, I do like the little lace in the back. Oh, wait. Should this be?
No, it's correct.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, if I'm gonna give my personal rating,
No one asked for your personal rating here.
alright.
It's me. I will ask for your personal rating.
Okay.
Go ahead.
This is the worst of them all. And it didn't look like the photos.
Yeah.
It's really like frumpy.
Yeah. It's a very sexy kind of dress.
Here, let's
there.
like reiterate. This is what it's supposed to look like. This. Not
And this is the actual
dress.
dress.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Amazon, for not following through.
And there's not much you can do with it.
No, she is what she is.
Was this one of the more expensive ones?
I don't remember.
Okay. Because they skimped. No choker, no headband,
I know, just a,
no little straps
And
there.
this is like a two-piece. Oh.
Oh!
This is a two-piece. So this is a top,
X-rated.
a top, and a skirt.
Well, the only good thing about that is one size can fit most because of the whoa, it stretches.
I guess you could like wear it higher.
No. Actually, she has it down low, like down
Yeah, she has
low
it, like,
hips.
yeah.
Really low. There you
And
go.
then it's like.
All right. Well, there you have it.
What number are we gonna give this?
I'll give it a 3.
Alright, so that's all the Disney princess costumes we have to try on today. Thank you, Mom, for, judging my costumes and rating them. And if you guys want to see more videos of my mom, please leave a comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up so we know that you liked it.
Because we know you don't want to see more videos with me in it.
No, they do.
Oh. Well, then comment below.
And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification and make sure you hit all notifications. And I hope you have a happy Halloween. And I will see you in my next video next week, or you can click my previous video at the end. Love you. Bye.
Trick or treat.
Baby, what you wishing for?